Are your tropical fish dying days after you bring them home? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up a thriving fish tank, even if you've never done it before. From cycling the tank to picking the right fish to keeping the water safe, no stress, no deaths, let's dive in. What is tank cycling? Tank cycling is the one most important step in fish keeping that most beginners skip. When fish eat, they produce waste, which turns into toxic ammonia. Beneficial bacteria break that down into nitrites and eventually nitrates. This cycle makes the tank livable. You can cycle with or without fish, but the fishless cycle is safer. Just add ammonia or fish food to an empty tank and let the bacteria grow. This can take 2 to 4 weeks. Test your water with a kit until ammonia and nitrites drop to 0. Equipment you'll need. Here's what you need for a beginner tropical setup. First, a filter. It keeps the water clean and oxygenated. A heater, because tropical fish need warm water, 24 to 27 degrees C or 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. A thermometer to monitor temp, gravel or substrate, a base for decor and bacteria. A water test kit to track ammonia, nitrites, nitrates, and pH, conditioner because it removes chlorine from tap water. And optional, an air pump, lighting, plants, decorations. Just remember, start simple. Quality gear equals healthy fish. Best beginner tropical fish. These tropical fish are hardy, friendly, and low maintenance. Neon tetras, small, peaceful, great in schools. Mollies, active, come in many colors, platies, playful, and easy to care for. Corydoras catfish, bottom dwellers that help clean, and zebra danius, super hardy, and fun to watch. Tip: stick to one species per tank at first. Start with 3 to 5 fish, not 20. How to set up the tank? Step by step. Rinse gravel and decor with water, no soap. Add substrate to tank base. Fill tank halfway with room temp water. Install heater and filter. Add decor, plants, hiding spots. Fill up tank. Add water conditioner. Turn on equipment and begin cycling. And remember, let tank run 24 to 48 hours minimum before adding fish. Now that you know the basics, here's how to set up your brand new tropical fish tank so you can be ready for your new fishy friends. First, rinse the gravel and decorations with water, but no soap. Then add the substrate to the tank base. Next, fill the tank about halfway with room temperature water. Now install the heater and filter, then add decor, plants, and hiding spots. Fill the tank all the way up and add water conditioner. Then turn on the equipment and begin cycling. Remember, let the tank run 24 to 48 hours before adding fish. It's so important to cycle your tank first. Beneficial bacteria grow during the cycling process. These bacteria convert harmful toxins into less harmful substances. If you don't cycle your tank, these toxins can build up and harm your fish. It's an easy process. Just pour some tap water into a separate container. Let it sit for 24 hours, then add some fish food. Once the beneficial bacteria start growing, you can test the water with a test kit. You want to continue adding fish food until the ammonia and nitrites measure 0 ppm. That means there are no toxins left. When this happens, your tank is ready for fish. Feeding and maintenance. Tropical fish are small, so feed small. Feed once or twice daily, just what they can eat in 1 to 2 minutes. Remove uneaten food to avoid water problems. Weekly maintenance is key. Do this every week. Change 20 to 30% of the water. Use a gravel vacuum to remove waste. Clean the filter sponge every few weeks in old tank water. Common mistakes to avoid. New fish keepers often make these mistakes. Adding too many fish too fast, skipping the cycle, overfeeding, ignoring water tests, and mixing aggressive and peaceful fish. Remember, slow and steady equals healthy, happy fish. Your fish are your responsibility now. We've given you the tools to succeed. Be patient, learn as you go, and enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips. Also, comment below which tropical fish you want next in our series. We'll send you the details. Thanks for watching. Now get ready to fall in love.